Today I'm showing how to install the ROX risers on the 2016 1200Gs Adventure. I'm gonna start by putting them on, then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna need to reroute my cables. I think I'm gonna have to reroute this bundle here. But I'm gonna put the risers first and then see what I need to do. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this bundle will be too short. So I'm gonna place my risers anyway. Since the top bolts, you cannot tighten them completely. You have to like hand tighten it so you're able to move it up and tighten the bottom. I'm gonna put a little thread lock on them just to avoid it from loosening by itself, because I'm not gonna be able to tighten it in full. It's gonna be like slightly tightened, and I'm only gonna tighten the bottom. The thread lock will help it to stay in place without tightening it, so it will not loosen up because of vibration. It's like 2 clicks is enough. And this is gonna be a little bit stiff, but it's gonna be just enough, so I'm gonna move it up as much as I can until I reach the bottom 2 bolts. So now the bottom piece is very stiff. I can tighten the top piece. Regarding my cable length, so left is perfectly fine. So here I'm good. And this one. Alright, these cables are too tight, so I'm gonna have to relocate it. Alright, so once I installed the risers, now these cables are too tight. So I'm gonna move them outside the fork, and to do that, pull out this piece, this cap, just use something thin, I already loosened it, and crank it, it will come out. And then take out this bolt, I think it's 12 or 14 millimeters. Okay. So to loosen it, grab the bottom nut with a 22 millimeter and the top with 14. It's pretty stiff. Now you can pull the fork down slightly. Just enough to get the cables through, and put it back up. So it reaches this way, and if I turn it this way, I see a lot of pinch. I'm gonna cut this tire up just to avoid this pinch in here. They're okay. Then all the way like that, it's okay also. Right, now I can tighten these two and it's done. Hi guys, so ROX risers on 1200Gs Adventure. Thank you.